This is it. It's official. I'm leaving Canada. I was supposed to start packing a week ago. I'm flying out tomorrow night, and I still haven't started packing yet.
He's also visiting from your part of the world.
Our part of the world. Well, aren't I someone? Let's do this! I just bought myself a Kindle because I won't be able to bring any physical books because they're gonna be too heavy. Unfortunately, I can't digitize my clothes, but good thing I can digitize my books. This is really teaching me how to let go. I'm only going to bring 2 suitcases. I don't know how long I'm going to be gone. It will be for a while. Yeah, this is hard. Welcome to the room I've never shown you before. Anyways, these are all the clothes I'm planning to bring, provided that I can stuff them in my 2 suitcases. We'll see. This is everything. These are my jackets and coats, my accessories, my gym clothes, my swimsuits, my loungewear, my golf clothes, and these are all the regular clothes I wear throughout summer, fall, and winter. So I don't think it's that much. Now let's look at what shoes and bags I'm gonna bring. I probably can't bring that much because I already have a lot of clothes. I can already tell it's not gonna fit, so I'll have to figure things out and get back to you tomorrow.
Meanwhile,
I'm going to do my PCR test right now. Of course I'm running late and it's raining. I lost my umbrella, but at least I have my rain boots. Oh my god, I passed my PCR test. Thank God! Morning. I'm kind of panicking right now because I just realized I was supposed to apply for my health code as soon as I received my reports last night. I just applied for it this morning at 7 a.m. It's still yellow. It's something I can't control, so there's no use worrying about it. Guess who got her health code? They literally approved me while I was getting my Timmies. See? No need to worry, Gloria. Why is it so hard to let go? I have cut down to the absolute essentials. I don't think I can cut down anymore. Here we go again. Aside from the 8 jackets, these are everything I'm going to be bringing. These are my regular clothes for all seasons. My loungewear, swimsuits, gym clothes, golf clothes, accessories, and underwear. That's it! My 8 jackets literally filled half of my suitcase. These are all the shoes, and these are all the bags. Now let's pack this up! I had to get creative and army roll this. The safe space. my god, this is so cute. I'm so proud of myself. I just took a nice shower. I am supposed to go to the airport in less than 2 hours. I'm still here packing and filming. I am living dangerously. Anyways, I just want to show you two cool things. I just got this toiletry bag. I've got my shampoo, conditioner, and stuff like that in here. And this is all my makeup. It's super neat and organized. And I also have this tech bag. I got all my cables here, my other knickknacks, my chargers, hard drive, and my lighting equipment. It's super cool. I have a packing list on Notion. I just need to double check I've packed everything. Should be good. This is it. It's official. I'm leaving Canada. Woo! Step 1. Make it to the airport. Step 2. Ask a stranger to take my thumbnail photo. Step 3. Check in and sneak in my overweight luggage. Step 4. Take a super cool footage because no one is around. Step 5. Wait patiently. Step 6. Board the plane, the moment I've been waiting for. Step 7. Spent 17 hours of my life on the plane. Step 8. Arrive and get my nostrils poked, aka COVID test. Step 9. Get my overweight luggage. Step 10. Get randomly assigned to a quarantine hotel.大家好，我成功到达了上海，我将会在这里度过14天的时光。但这还不是旅途的结束，14天以后，我还要再转机到深圳，然后再隔离7天。此刻我只想说，唉。